Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for this video, para naman ito sa mga magre-review sa board examination for REE licensure exam. So meron tayo dito REE Passboard. This question is regarding 3-phase AC circuits. So basahin natin. So in an unbalanced Y connected system, so meron tayong current A, 10 angle negative 32. So meron tayong current B, 13 angle 212. Meron tayong current C, 14 angle 86. So ang tanong, what is the neutral current? So pag nakakita kayo na guys ng ganito, puro complex number, 3-phase, huwag kayo ma-intimidate as long as alam niyo yung concept or solado yung mga formulas. Okay? So approach lang dito, kung matatandaan nyo, for an unbalanced load, yung zero sequence component is equal to 1/3 ng neutral current. Okay? Ano nga ulit ang formula for zero sequence? So, 1/3 ng current ABC. So, 1/3 lang yan. Current A. 1/3 ng sum ng current ABC. Okay? So, therefore, kung ito ay equal natin sa 1/3 ng neutral current, okay? Therefore, pwede natin itong i-cancel yung 1/3. So, meaning, napakadali lang pala. Neutral current is just equal to sum ng tatlong parameters. Diba? So, equals neutral current natin, okay, 10 angle negative 32 plus 13 angle 212 plus 14 angle 86. So using your calculator, make sure na naka-complex number yan, and then input nyo lang ito. Ang lalabas dyan, 2.37 angle 131.4. So, meaning, neutral current natin ay option A. Okay? So guys, kailangan lang kabisado nyo yung concept ng balance and unbalanced 3-phase connection. So, hindi na kayo ma-intimidate or hindi na kayo matatakot kapag nakita kayo ng mga complex numbers na katulad nito. So, I hope na meron kayong natutunan, and good luck sa board exam. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button and paki-like na rin ang tong video. God bless, good luck, and salamat.